Yeah. Need some bait. Is it alright if you're on YouTube? Okay. Just there. Oh, how many you got in there? You want to throw? Okay, that's good. I'll get it. I know every cast we got one. He's got one on now right here. Thank you. Going down here and see if I can catch me one. All mine on for a second or two, jumping and then off. It's been fun though. That's part of the fun. And he just let his little one go. All right, now, well here, if you need one. Well, actually, I'm going to put him in here. But maybe there when you were fighting it.
I think.
Okay, this is how I hook them on. Huh?
Put the lane cloud on there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is how I do it. I kill him so he doesn't wiggle. It don't matter. You can use live if you want, but I don't hook them this way. Got to pull it through there without tearing anything. This one here follows right through the same spot I do. Just like that. Flip it over, or you can hook it on the other side. Once this side rips out, I go to the other side. Go in there, get a good bunch of meat, bring it up through. Now you have to get your little hook. Let's see. I gotta put it down through there. And that's how I do it. Let's see if I can get one right away. Spin every cast, taking our bait and fish on, fish off. There. Let it sit for a little bit. Then I move it every now and then. And we got a little tiny little breeze that's moving it too, so it rocks your herring. Or you can throw a live one on. It's just you can't hook them on as strong. Some guys do it. They got those bait buttons and they can really cast them then. There he goes. There. Missed it. You'll get him. See? I knew you would get it. Where is he? Oh, right there. Okay. Just one of the little tooth pounders. Yeah. Oh, that's just like a jack, that one. No, that's not what I had. I don't know about that bobber under right back there, though. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, big one jumped right out there. There I go. Nice one on. There we go. Nice one. I don't know if this one's big enough for me to keep or not. Grabbed it right off the leader. You know how it slides up and down. Yeah. Oh, this is a good fight. Maybe it's a humpy. They fight like crazy. No, that ain't no humpy. It's not too bad. Yeah. I got him by the trailer hook. Slap, slap. Oh, that's a not bad one, I guess. I'll take him. hatchery, of course. Yeah. All right, I'm done. No, he was on the leading hook. The trailer was up here somewhere. But yeah, it's definitely he had it way in his trap. Whoo-wee, look at that, nice line. Yes, sir. There's some lice on it. A little bit of sea lice. There we go. Just got this one on. Oh, what happened to my bobber? It's messed up. Yeah, don't say that. I've had that old bobber for a long time. Oh, and a release. Oh well, that's how it goes. That might have not been a humpy. All right, turn you off. There it is. Oh, that's a nice one. I seen him flash. Yeah. There we go. That's what fresh herring does. Gets you a nice silver. Come on. He wants to come in down there on the beach. Oh, he's a little guy. Yeah. A couple pounds. Yep. Well, look at the spots on that thing. Okay, you're not hooked now. Come on. Where'd my hooks go? Another coho. That's, I don't know, 3. No humpy yet. I got me a coho, but I'm after a nice humpy. Fish he just caught. 5 to 6 pounds. Solid. Nice. And that's a hatchery, too. The hatcheries are the big ones. Been some nice fish this morning. Fish on, fish on. Here we go. Oh, do you? Got my bobber all tangled up this time. I just barely got him hooked. I see. Nice fish. Bobber all messed up. That's what happens when I put a new bobber on. Oh, now he's wanting to really pull. Now, I'm done. I'm done. It's a wild one, though. It's not bad size. No. That's not bad at all for the wild. They have been even smaller, but that's a nice one. I think this is my first wild I keep. Right here. Oh, it's a little guy. Little Jack. Yeah, we don't want. Oh. All right. You're fighting pretty good, little rascal. Little. That's a jack. Butthole. Come on. That is a jack. Go, guy. Wrong way. There he goes. Boom. All right, that's not what we want.